Just go for it. Okay,
Got
so that due date on the statement of 7th of June 2011, and it's just like the regular
Yeah.
charges. If the person like don't pay it at that date, because usually if you have an account, you have like a due date to pay your amount. So it's just to regulate the payment and to add charges if the person go over that due date if he didn't pay
Okay.
it. So just try to keep that on the middle side of
Why
the list.
quickly, I just
So
want to fix my calculator. Ishmael, can I fix my calculator?
oh my God. Are you ready?
Come on.
Almost. You ready?
You were saying?
Okay, so calculate the value of the goods you purchased this month.
Can you cut up quickly?
Calculate the value of the goods you purchased this month. So okay, I'm gonna go up. Let me go up.
It's gonna give us 675.65.
How did you get that?
Added the 55 rand, 50 was 120.15 plus the 500.
How much did you get?
675.65.
Let's see if it's correct. Yep, that's correct. Next question. Okay. Calculate the values of A and B. So I think we got A earlier on, right?
Yeah, but we never
What
got
was
B.
that value?
I think it was, wait, let me double check quickly. That was 3,845.8.
Okay. Yes, 3845.80. And then what's B's value? Closing balance.
Isn't B value same as A?
Yes, makes sense because there's nothing else that was added or anything. So it's
Yeah.
exactly the same. Next question. The company charges 33% per annum on late payment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
How much will Daisy owe if she does not pay 280 installments until the 7th of July 2011?
Isn't
So
it
come
that you
here,
must add,
guys. So
isn't it that you must add the 33% with that 280?
can you repeat?
Isn't it that you must add the 33% with the 280? What about all?
So just come and think about this. So the company charges 33% per annum on late payment. So if you, what does it mean? What do you understand by 33% per annum on late payment?
So anything after the after the 7th, they're gonna add like 33% more on your 280.
33% more on 280.
Mm.
33% more. Okay. So then how will you calculate how much you will owe if you don't pay the 280?
Mm. Oh. So we have to times the
So basically, what we were saying, just
yeah,
leave this. Okay. So basically, here they're saying that
yeah,
so they say the company charges 33% on late payments. Here they say how much will Daisy owe if she does not pay 280 until
yeah,
the 7th of July 2011. Now, what is late? This 280 is late. So they charge 33% on what's late. So you first
yeah,
take 33% of 280. You understand?
yeah.
So let's go. So what's 33% times 280?
It
So
will give us
33%, specifically 0.33 times 280,
it will
which
give us
means,
92.4.
so, okay, we got uh 92, let me see quickly. So we got 90. Can I just double check for you on my side?
2.4.
0.33%. Mm, 92.4 years. Well done.
Mm-hmm.
So, how much will Daisy owe if she does not pay 280 installment until the 7th? So now they're giving us a date. So they're giving us a date until the 7th, until July, basically. Okay. Where are we now in this calendar? Let me just so here they have
It does.
the due date is the 7th of June. It's June
Uh-huh.
2011. June 2011. Just see quickly. Where's this thing? Date. No, June 2011. Okay. Due date. Just want to see quickly. Okay. So we first take 33% of that number, then we divide by 12. So why did we divide by 12?
Because it's
Okay.
yearly.
Exactly, because it's per annum. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is very important. Per annum. Okay. So we take this and we basically divide by 12, and what do you get?
You will get 7.7.
Exactly 7.7. Okay. And remember, it's until June. It's only 1 month. How much
Yeah.
will Daisy owe if she does not pay 280 installment until July? So our due date is until June, right? Our due date is
Yeah.
until June, but the other saying your answer is correct by saying per annum, but that's not the actual correct answer. The actual correct reason to why we divide by 12 is because they're saying that how much would
Mm-hmm.
they say, oh, if she does not pay that until the 7th of July. So From June until July, how many months is that?
One.
1 month,
Not.
right? It's only 1 month.
Mm.
But it's this per annum is also important because it shows us that we can
Mm.
divide by 12. It shows us that
Mm.
this 92,4, it's basically like the year amount, and then we divide by 12 to get per month, right? Per month. So that's the amount of interest, and that's they're basically gonna charge 7,7 more
Mm.
because she was late in her payment for that 1 month. So,
Mm-hmm.
alright. So, what's our closing amount here again? Just give me that closing amount again.
It was
Three, three.
three 300. Oh, I forgot.
You must make notes. You must write it down.
I forgot to write that one down.
You must write
Um,
everything down. You can't just take from this memo.
it was
No problem.
3,845,8. I forgot to
Well
write
done.
that one down.
And here they say, how much will Daisy owe if she don't pay 280? So we have to minus the 280
Huh?
because she's not gonna pay 280. So we minus 280. How much do we get?
Minus 80. We will get 3,565.
565,80.
Yeah.
But now, if she doesn't pay 280, how much are they gonna add
Um,
for that 1 month?
they're gonna add 7,7.
Exactly. 7,7. And how much are we left with?
We are left with 3,573.
3,573, comma
50.
50. Well done. 3,573,50.
Yeah.
3,573,50. Well done. So I'm just going to do a recap quickly. All this page is messy, but just a recap. The company charges 33% per annum on late payment. How much will Daisy
Yeah.
owe if she does not pay 280? So we have to take 33% of that 280 and we got
And times it.
92,4. But the other
Yeah.
say it's only she's not paying it until July. So we in June. So from June to July is only 1 month.
1
So
month.
we divide by 12 to get the amount of charges per month. If it was until August or September, then remember you're gonna have to have, obviously you're gonna have, you must just count number of months that's extra. Okay? It's really important. So just think about it logically. Understand? She's not paying if she's not paying until September, how many months is that? From June.
3 months.
Exactly. So if it's June to September, that's June, July, August, September. 3 months. So then you would take this and say 0.7 times 3. Then we would get 22, 22,1. I think so. 7.21. Yes, 22,1. Okay. If it was if she didn't pay until September,
22,1.
that's only if she didn't pay until September. I think so. Just double check
No.
that.
No, you don't get 22,1. Or you get 23,1. Because you times
23
it
years.
by 1.
Yes, yes, yes. That's correct. 23,1. Very well done. So that's only if it was until September, okay? But here it's only
Yeah.
until June, July, so that's only 1 month. So we have to And there we see we added that 7,7. But firstly, we took that closing
Yeah.
balance and we minus 280 because they're saying, what if she doesn't pay that 280? So when we minus that
Yeah.
280 because the number, then we added the charges we're going to charge because she didn't pay that 280. You understand? And that's we show how
Yeah.
we calculate that. Okay. Now we're gonna go clear all drawings. Right up. The closing balance includes VAT. Calculate the original total excluding VAT. I actually have a nice way to calculate VAT. I don't know how you calculate
Yeah.
that, but can you calculate this for me, Banana? Oh, we have reached half past 7, so we'll just end with this last two questions and we can conclude with the next. So the
Um.
closing, so I'm just gonna go up quickly. I'm gonna scroll up now. So the closing balance includes VAT. So that balance of 3845.80.
Huh?
Calculate the original total excluding VAT. So how are you gonna do that?
What is the VAT again? 14%.
Yes,
14.
they use 40%. You want to check your exam paper, what VAT they use. For some papers, they have 14%,
Um.
some papers they have 15%.
It's you're gonna take that 3,845.8, and then I think you're gonna divide it by divided by 14. Yeah.
Okay, so you
If I'm not
say,
mistaken.
3, that's 3845.8 divided by 14. And how much do you get?
Yeah. Um. No, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. What is the question?
Just look at the
No, I'm
question. Closing balance includes that, calculate the original total excluding that. Can I just
wrong.
teach you quickly? I think, okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna teach you a way on how
Yeah.
to calculate that. I teach all my students this method and it works as a bomb.
Mm.
But you must just pay attention. If you don't understand it immediately, you can just go back to the video. But let me just explain to you quickly.
Mm-hmm.
So let me stop sharing. I'm gonna share a whiteboard quickly. So, okay, so this is how it works. So with VAT, it's simple, very, very simple. So let's say you have, so with VAT, right, we have VAT is, let's say, let's use 14%. So we have 14%, that's VAT, okay? So VAT is 14%, right?
Uh,
Um, okay. So we have VAT, what, can you see my screen?
yeah.
That is 14, right? Then you have the amount excluding VAT. I'm gonna write here excluding. Let's say excluding is 100. We represent it as 100. And the amount including I represent as 114. Okay, so just remember VAT is represented by 14. Think about think of
Huh?
this as a code. So VAT is 14,
Yeah.
14 like percent, right?
Mm.
The amount excluding VAT is 100 and the amount
Mm-hmm.
including VAT is 114. So if I tell you, for example, you have a number. So let's say you have a number. Here's a different color quickly. So let's say you have a number. Let's say that is let's say 10, right? And I say this number is excluding VAT. Calculate the amount including VAT. So how it works, VAT is like this. It's always going to be what you want over what you have. It's times, it's a number that that you have, a number that's basically given to you, times what you want over what you have. So it works like this. So let's say we have 10, right? This number is, I say it excludes VAT, right? So you take this number, which is 10, that's like the question mark, you times it by, okay, what do we want? I want the amount including VAT, right? And what is the percentage here? Is it 1400 or
14.
114?
Wow.
So I ask you, I want the amount including VAT, right? So, so then you take this number excluding VAT, you times it by what you want over what you have. So what do we want? We want this one, right? So we want a number including VAT, the amount including VAT. So you take 10 times 114 over what you have. We have the number amount excluding VAT. So we take what you have, we have 100. So we have the 100%. So you take it over 100. Can you just put this on the calculator quickly?
Okay. 10 times.
That's 10 times
It's gonna give us 11.
11. There you
That's
go.
the whole sum that I did.
Yes. So that's the amount in rand, including VAT. Okay. So this over here, this fraction over here, it represents basically the percentage. It represents this column. Let me just show you another example because this can get a bit tough now. So let me just show you another example quickly. So let's say I tell you I give you an amount. I say, okay, you have 20 rand, right? And I tell you, VAT is 14. VAT is 14%, right? And this is the amount excluding VAT. Calculate VAT.
That's the amount excluding VAT.
So calculate the actual VAT. Calculate the VAT. So what you do, you take this number, 20, right?
Yeah.
This is excluding VAT. Then you times it by what you want over what you have. So remember, when you come to this part of what you want over what you have, you must look at this percentage column over here. Okay. So what do we want? Do we want the VAT? Do we want the amount excluding that? Or do we want the amount including that? What are
Including.
we looking for?
We're looking for the amount including VAT.
No, I ask you here the VAT. What's the VAT?
Oh. We're
So are we
looking for
looking for
the
the VAT? We're looking for VAT. So do we use 1400 or 114? 14. We use 14 because we're looking for the VAT. So you say 20 times 14 over what you have. What number do we have here? It's 20, right? And 20 is excluding VAT. And what percentage is 20? Is it 1400 or 114? Can you hear me?
I'm very confused.
114. It is quite confusing. Um, I think I should maybe explain it a bit better. Okay, let me re-explain this quickly. Oh, yeah, but let me erase that. Okay, okay, so okay, so that works like this. Okay, so you just kind of
Yeah.
simple. Okay, so that works like this. You have VAT, which is 14%. Okay, so let's
Yeah.
say, okay, I'm gonna start from fresh now. So, right down. So let's say this is percentages and this is the actual amount of money, the money in rand. Okay,
Okay.
so VAT is 14%. No,
Yeah.
the amount excluding VAT is 100%.
Okay.
The amount including VAT is 114%.
Okay.
Now, let's say the amount excluding VAT is 10 rand.
Yeah.
Calculate the VAT. So, to calculate the VAT, to calculate the VAT, we're gonna say, so to calculate the VAT, right? Remember we were gonna look for the VAT now, right? So the VAT is equal to, so it's this question mark here is the number that is given to us, which is the 10, right?
Yeah.
So we take this 10 and multiply it by what you want. So what do we want? We want
The
the VAT,
VAT.
right? We want the VAT. So what percentage is VAT? Is it 40%, 100%, or 114%?
14.
So we put 14 there. That's what we want.
Yeah.
What do we have? So what does this number represent? Does it represent 14%, 100%, or 114%?
100. Because it
100.
isn't it excluding?
Yes, it's excluding that. Right? So now calculate that for me, Kanala.
It will give us 140.
Here we go. No, it isn't. Is it?
Yeah, it's the
No,
10
it can't
rand.
be. It can't be 140. It has to
Uh,
be 1 comma
it's the 10
4.
rand.
It's 1 comma 4.
Isn't it the 10 rand times the 14%
No,
times that?
that's 0. Scratch with that 0. Then it's 14 pi, I think, which is 1 comma 4 because that's 4 comma 0. Take that 0 to the
Wow.
left. That's 1 comma 4
Oh, is
on
it
your
one? So we don't
calculator.
have to multiply the 100.
Now you must say 10 times 14 over 100.
Wait. So it's
You
1
don't
comma
multiply
4 no?
100. It's, that's the division here. It's 10. Wait, let me just say that. So this is 10, right? Times
Yeah.
14 divided by 100.
Oh, is it divided by 100? That
Yeah.
just what you play. No, it's 10 times 14 divided by 100 will give us. Yeah, will give us 0,014.
10 times that number.
Mouth?
Then take 10 times that number. So it's 10 times 14 over 100.
Just wait, please. Is divided by. Yeah. So it must 10 rand times 14 divided by 100. This was going to give us 0,014.
Let me just check quickly. 14 divided by 100. 14 divided by 100 is 0.14. And 10 times 0.14 is 1,4. The answer is 1,4. Okay?
Okay.
So that's the amount of VAT. You understand now? That's the 1,4.
Yeah.
You see? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to erase this, right? Now we have this 1,4. So now I give you the amount excluding VAT. Now let's say I ask you to get the, I ask you, what is the amount including VAT?
So the amount we have now is 1,4, right?
Yes, the VAT is 1,4. But let's say we don't have the VAT. Let's say we don't have the VAT. Okay, but we know it's 1,4. Let's say we don't have the VAT. Let's say we don't have the VAT. So I tell you
Yeah.
that the amount, we have to get the amount included, right? The amount including VAT. So we take, okay, I'm gonna erase this question mark and I'm rather gonna put here given as a better explanation. So what's given to us here? What amount is given?
Or the VAT.
That 10. So you put 10 there.
Yeah.
Times what you want. So what percentage do we want? Do you want 14%, 100%, or 114%?
114.
Yes, so you put 114 over. What do we have? So this number is 10, right? So do we have 14%, 100%, or 114%?
I think we have the 14%.
So this 10 is hereby excluding. So we have the 100%. So you must put
Oh,
100
no.
there. See? So you must say 10 times 114 over 100. You put it in the
It's going
calculator.
to give us 11,4.
Well done. You see, 11,4.
Yeah.
Now let's say we have our VAT, which was 1,4. How else can you
Yeah.
get this number?
What number?
This number.
The 100.
This number here, the amount including VAT.
Then we take the 10 and then we divide it by that, the VAT that we already have, the 1,4.
No, you have the VAT amount and you have the amount excluding VAT. So you can just add. You can just add the 1,4 plus 10, which gives you
Is 11,14.
11,4. Right?
What is that we just calculated?
We calculated including that. So I'm going to give you an example to do quickly on your own to see if you understood what I just said. So, okay, I tell you that the VAT of a certain product, okay, we just quickly, okay, I ask you calculate
Yeah.
VAT, and this Stevie. The Stevie costs 200 rand, including VAT. So calculate the VAT, number one. And number two, calculate the cost of the TV excluding VAT. So just do that too for me. I'm gonna you can do this on your own. You
Yeah.
can just send me the picture over WhatsApp because we have to end now. Shukran so much for this
Okay.
session. You can just always go back to
Okay.
the videos. I'm gonna send you the videos. Just send me your
Okay.
email, I'll send you the videos, inshallah. Shukran so much. Assalamu
Okay.
alaikum wa
Shukran
rahmatullahi wa
so
barakatuh.
much.
Afwan.